Did you know that autumn joy sedum can change its growth pattern with late spring pruning? This fascinating plant holds many more secrets. Let's explore the remarkable world of autumn joy sedum. Autumn joy sedum, scientifically known as Hylotium herbstfroed or Sedum spectabile, has a rich history dating back to Japan and China. Its resilient nature allowed it to adapt to various environments over centuries, making it a cherished species among gardeners worldwide. One of the most striking features of autumn joy sedum is its incredible transformation throughout the seasons. It starts with succulent, blue-green leaves in the spring and summer. However, as autumn approaches, it undergoes a breathtaking change. Large spherical flower heads emerge, and the once green leaves turn a spectrum of colors, transitioning from soft pink to deep, coppery hues. These vibrant blooms are not only visually stunning, but also attract pollinators, adding life and energy to your garden. Thrives in full sun and well-draining soil, which helps prevent root rotting. What's particularly intriguing is its response to late spring pruning. By trimming the plant at this specific time, you can alter its growth pattern. Delaying the flowering process creates a unique opportunity to extend the visual interest of your garden, offering a later burst of color when most other plants are winding down. It is an excellent companion for various other species in your garden. Its ability to attract pollinators makes it a valuable addition for garden ecosystems. Plant it alongside ornamental grasses, asters, or late-blooming perennials to create a wildlife-friendly haven right in your backyard. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, autumn joy sedum is a practical choice for gardeners. It's a low-maintenance and drought-resistant plant, requiring minimal care once established. This makes it a sustainable choice for water-efficient landscaping and late-season bursts of color, adding vibrancy to your garden long after summer has passed. Autumn joy sedum is not just a plant. It's a dynamic and versatile addition to your garden. Its ability to change its growth pattern through late spring pruning adds a unique dimension to your gardening experience. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of plants right here on our channel. Happy gardening!